How to lock your Facebook profile. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply lock your Facebook profile in just a few minutes. So firstly, I want you guys to just simply open up Facebook, and then after that, from over here, what you guys can do is simply go to your profile, and then you will see all your posts and your profile. So now click on the three buttons next to edit profile, and then from over here simply click on lock profile. So once you click on lock profile, only friends will see the photos, the posts, and the stories on your profile, and only your friends will see your full size profile photo and cover photo, and people will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests as well. So that is how easy it is to lock your profile. So once you lock your profile is gonna go absolutely private. Nobody's gonna be able to see anything, and your profile is gonna be completely private. So unlock this particular profile, simply go back to the same option, and you guys can simply unlock your profile. So that is how easy it is for you guys to just simply lock and unlock your profile. And this is all that you guys need to do. So guys, this was the video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.